Good morning, and welcome to episode 202 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, President of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, November 27th, 2024. I'm down here in Myriad, Georgia, visiting family for tomorrow's Thanksgiving Day holiday here in the U.S. And as we lead up to the Thanksgiving Day holiday, gold and silver prices are both on a bit of a roller coaster ride. We're seeing sharp sell-offs and then sharp recoveries day to day. Part of the reason is there is talk that Israel and Hezbollah in Lebanon are considering ceasefire talks. That is taking away some of the safe haven luster for gold and a little bit of silver. In addition, the Federal Open Market Committee meeting notes for the November meeting have been released, and it suggests that Fed members are overall very satisfied with the state of the economy. They're happy with inflation moving toward their target of 2%, and they're happy with the strength and resilience of the labor market. That leaves market participants wondering what's going to happen at the December meeting. Will there be another 25 basis point rate cut? Right now, market participants think there's a 63% chance of that occurring. I'm in that camp as well. The last thing that's roiling the markets right now is the uncertainty surrounding the new administration taking over and some of the policies of President-elect Trump. In specific, they're considering the tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China. They are looking at the tax cuts that are being proposed and the consideration of mass deportation, all of which are believed to be potentially inflationary. So let's take a look at the numbers and see what's going on over the past week. Gold is up 1%. It's the only precious metal in positive territory this week. It's at $2,653.50 an ounce. Last week it stood at $2,627.10. Silver's down 1.2% to $30.57 an ounce. Last week it was $30.94. Platinum's down 3.1%, touching touching $9.42 an ounce this morning. It was $9.72 or $30 higher last week. And palladium is down 3.7% to $1,010 an ounce. It was $1,049 last week. With gold outperforming silver by about 2%, it's going to take more ounces of silver to buy that ounce of gold. So your gold-silver ratio is up to 86.8. It was 84.91 last week. And amidst everything I mentioned going on in the markets, the dollar has eased a bit. It's trading on the old index at 106.46. It was 106.64 last week. The bottom line, folks, is anytime you see a dip right now in the gold and silver market, you should treat that as a dip worth buying into, worth buying well, worth embracing. It's going to be temporary. It's going to be short-lived. We still have plenty of issues that our economy needs to deal with. But that being said, right now, I just want to turn my attention to you, our listeners, our clients. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your patronage over the years. We always look forward to serving you. We know that tomorrow, when we in the U.S. celebrate Thanksgiving, we know who and what we are thankful for, and it's you. As always, we like you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Send us your comments and questions. Like us. Take our twice weekly, always something interesting alerts and our once monthly newsletter. But in the end, don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.